When the convoy slowed, shouted, and displayed a gun near a family gathering, the state said it crossed a legal threshold. The convoy didn't just appear, it coordinated. The effect wasn't debate, it was fear. Parents pulled children behind them. A celebration buckled. Georgia law speaks to that fear. The terroristic threat statute punishes threats to commit a crime of violence when those threats are communicated and intended to terrorize or cause serious public disruption. It's not about silencing opinion, it's about punishing the use of threats as a tool. In the same breath, Georgia's aggravated assault turns on a deadly weapon used to place a person in reasonable apprehension of immediate harm. A firearm can transform words into a present danger. No shot needs to be fired for the law to recognize the harm. Evidence came in layers. Cell phone videos captured the convoy, the shouts, the distance between the street and the yard. You hear engines, see gestures, and catch the instant a shotgun raised toward the yard changes the stakes. The 911 call recorded panic, voices pleading for help, parents trying to shield children, as the scene unfolded in real time. Investigators mapped coordination, multiple vehicles, consistent symbols, and a route that brought the group to that house. The weapon display gave the state what it needed, a clear act that turned speech into an actionable threat. The human stakes were plain. Parents shielding children, adults moving guests off the lawn, a cake left to melt. In court, impact statements traced the aftermath. Sleep lost, routines broken, a home that felt less safe. The scale of harm was not measured in bruises, but in the way fear seeped into daily life. That's a form of injury the statute is designed to confront. Court logic sorted roles and culpability. Jose Torres faced aggravated assault exposure tied to pointing the shotgun, a direct use of a deadly weapon to instill reasonable fear of immediate harm. Kayla Norton did not brandish the weapon, which narrowed her exposure to threats and party to a crime liability. But the state still traced her participation in the convoy's approach and coordinated presence. The hierarchy of culpability followed acts, not affiliations. Charges reflected that hierarchy and the organized nature of the intimidation. Alongside terroristic threats and aggravated assault, prosecutors invoked Georgia's Street Gang Terrorism and Prevention Act, arguing respect the flag functioned as a group engaged in criminal conduct. The statutes created a framework where coordinated intimidation in a public space could be punished for its method and its impact, not just its message. As sentencing neared, the arguments widened to the community. Prosecutors sought terms that would deter public terror,